Hey everyone, today I'm really excited to share with you a review of this right here. This is a Hisense Dolby Atmos soundbar with wireless subwoofer and wireless rear speakers. It is a 5.1.2 sound system, as you can see, and it sounds incredible. I actually replaced a Samsung soundbar setup with this, and this sounds so much better. Really excited about it. This has, like I said, Dolby Atmos and DTSx, so you really get a full surround sound experience with it above you, behind you, around you. It's really great. The subwoofer puts out a ton of bass, and like I said, I'm really excited about it. And I wanted to share this because the price too is outstanding. So I shared it last week that this was a great deal, and I thought it was for Black Friday and maybe Cyber Monday, but the price is still the same. So normally it's over $200, but it is only $130 at Walmart. So I'll link it in the description for you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and get everything unboxed with you, get it all set up, and I'll play some footage for you so you can hear how it sounds. Now before I get to the unboxing, I want to go over the features of the soundbar in a little more detail with you guys. Here are the dimensions for you. Not small, but at 36 inches wide, it's definitely not huge and should make for easy placement or mounting. And again, it's a 5.1.2 channel system. The soundbar itself has front left and right speakers, as well as a dedicated center speaker, which is good for voices and hearing dialogue. It also has two upward-facing speakers, which is utilized by the Dolby Atmos and DTSx to really surround you in sound. And again, there are the two rear speakers and the subwoofer. Here's an illustration of what happens with the speakers, showing you how the upward-facing speakers really immerse you in surround sound, and it really works quite well. If you haven't experienced Dolby Atmos before, it will really blow you away. Here's the connectivity information. It has Bluetooth 5.3, which is one of the latest versions of the technology and great for stability and latency. It has HDMI in and out, including eARC, which supports high bandwidth lossless audio. And there are also normal optical and auxiliary inputs, as well as a USB port. Now for the unboxing, I'll speed this up some while I get everything out of the packaging. Looking at the soundbar here, it feels like it's made of nice materials. On the back, you can see the points where you can mount it. It does come with that hardware. I'm going to just have it placed on a TV stand though. Then we have the power input and the various connections I went over with you. Then we've got some cables. And here is the remote. I do like this design. The brushed finish on it looks good. Then we have more cables. Here we have the left rear speaker. And that looks good. Then we have the right rear speaker here. This one looks basically the same, except for it has a power input. Next up we have the subwoofer, which is a decent size. It should definitely put out some good bass. So I'm excited to get everything all set up. Alright, now I'll go ahead and get it all connected. I'll plug in the HDMI cable I already had ready from my last soundbar into the eARC port. Then I'll connect the power cable and plug that in. And there we go. That's all that's needed for the soundbar. You can see it's a little deeper than some soundbars, and that's because of those upward-facing speakers. But it does look good. Now let's get all this set up. Okay, I got everything plugged in and it automatically connected. For now I have the subwoofer over here by the tree. and the speaker is plugged in and the RCA cable is connected to the other speaker routed behind the couch. Eventually I'll probably mount those speakers up here on the wall, but this works for now. Now let's see how it sounds. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this audio is really completely surrounding me. It sounds really good. I want to show you this too. It does indicate here that it is outputting Dolby Atmos. So overall, I'm very pleased with this soundbar. It sounds great, and I'm really excited to have Dolby Atmos. And again, the price is incredible, especially for what you get. It's currently $129 at Walmart, and again, I'll link that in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. But I definitely recommend this. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. And if you liked the video, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.